I appreciate the opportunity today to address the topic of business outbreaks that we've been discussing the last 2 days. Right now, the Iowa Department of Public Health becomes aware of outbreaks at businesses when the employers tell us or when the state facilitates testing at a particular facility. Businesses are not currently required to report outbreaks to the Department of Public Health. Additionally, Iowa law allows confirmation of outbreaks only when necessary to protect the health of the public. We've determined confirming outbreaks at businesses is only necessary when the employment setting constitutes a high-risk environment for the potential of COVID-19 transmission. Because employers are accessing testing from a variety of sources and not relying solely on the state, our department isn't aware of all of the testing that is occurring. In addition, case investigation and contact tracing is conducted in part by local public health and in part by the Iowa Department of Public Health. Part of the case investigation and contact tracing interview asks people where they work and who has been a close contact at work. The Iowa Department of Public Health does not routinely collect and store information about the number of employees at different businesses, so we haven't had ready access to all of the information necessary to confirm outbreaks at the point in time when 10% of employees working in these high-risk environments might test positive. We are working on these processes so we can continue to provide information to the public that is necessary for Iowans to protect themselves. While I know there is a high level of interest in IDPH announcing outbreaks at businesses, the most important thing for Iowans to know is how to take care of yourself and your health. This includes taking actions when you are around others, including staying at least 6 feet away, wearing a mask or other cloth face covering when social distancing is not possible, washing and sanitizing your hands frequently, covering your coughs and sneezes, and staying home when you're sick. In addition, if you are contacted on behalf of public health, please pick up the phone. You will be contacted if you are identified during a case investigation as a close contact with a confirmed case, and you will be provided with instructions about what you need to do to monitor your health and how to get tested if necessary. Unfortunately, we have heard of scams happening in other states related to contact tracing. Please know that public health or someone acting on behalf of public health will never ask you for your social security number or any other financial information. Today, we have confirmed an outbreak at the Tyson Pork Processing Plant in Storm Lake, where 555 of the 2,517 employees tested have had a positive result reported so far.